So just imagine avoiding the long wait at the service garage by scheduling the job for your driveway at your convenience.
So think Uber meets oil change and you have Your Mechanic. It's one of about a dozen door-to-door companies in the Orlando market right now. News 6 investigator Mike Holfeld put one mobile mechanic to the test to see how the service works.
What's the reaction you get from your customers?
Customers love it.
Keith Sterling is a door-to-door mechanic. Scheduled via website, under the hood, at your convenience.
Now you're delivering oil change.
I'll deliver the oil change. Anything you need, I'll deliver it.
His traveling repair assignments have taken him to homes and offices from Polk to Orange County.
We check your brakes, we check your tires.
The list of repairs covering everything short of a rebuilt transmission. All work, they say, guaranteed.
I've worked on every car from 68 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supremes all the way up to 2015-16 Porsche Cayennes.
He's part of a national network of independent specialists working in Orlando and across the U.S. Choose your city and pick a mechanic, each certified, vetted, and assigned by California-based YourMechanic.
We instant quote the job up front, so we tell you how much it's going to cost, and we stick to that price.
Founder and CEO Anthony Rodillo tells News 6 the service will evolve with autonomous cars and mobility fleets.
But even in all those scenarios, we still think the experience of the repair coming to the car versus the car having to go to a shop is the better way to do it.
We put Keith to the test on our producer's 1990 Mustang LX.
About a quart and a half low.
The scheduled job, an oil change. Job completed in roughly 30 minutes. The 50-point checkup found a few more items in need of repair.
You're gonna need a serpentine belt.
In a week's time, we do about 140 cars.
Russell Automotive's Steve Alfieri says that door-to-door convenience is countered by garage dynamics.
If you don't mind, bringing the vehicle to us, the job is a better job altogether when it's over with.
State-of-the-art equipment, oil disposal, skilled mechanics under one roof is his response to the convenience of companies like YourMechanic.
It's cleaner, it's more accurate, and the price is still probably going to be about the same.
The prices for an oil filter change for our 1990 Mustang are close. YourMechanic's price, $97.87. Russell's price, $73.91. A difference of $23.96.
Now, the company tells News 6 the bigger the job, the greater the savings to you. The oil filter change will cost a bit more. Think about it, because the mechanic has to cover the cost of traveling to your home. The big selling point is convenience, no doubt.
Yes, of course.
Like
you can
that.
still be at home doing what you need to do while they're in your driveway taking care of business.
Absolutely. I was really impressed.
Yeah, okay, so this all sounds great. Do they bring the parts with them, and is that work under warranty?
Great questions. They bring the parts for your car, make, model, VIN number, check before they arrive. If you want, I love this, if you want to get the parts ahead of time, you can do that. And yes, the work is under warranty for 12 months.
Oh, now that's a big deal if you could buy your own parts, because you could save a lot of money doing it. And do they bring magazines, like the waiting room? Because
Yeah.
Will you stop it? You get to choose the day, the time. I mean, it's awesome. The whole idea is, think about it, it's convenience. Instead of leaving the car at the garage, they come to your driveway, your garage. We have a few links for you at clickorlando.com. It really is amazing. You save a lot of money with the bigger jobs.
Yeah, because normally if you have to wait for your car to be done, if you got the kids, the dog, or whatever, you got to figure out what to do.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I love the convenience part. I really do.
And the savings.
Yes.
There you go.
Mike Holfeld.
Thank you,
sir.